What's up, everybody? It is now Wednesday morning. I say Wednesday morning, it's like 11 o'clock. This is what I've been working on. Getting the cross mirror pieces made and got it tacked up to the transfer case. So here, let me show you what we got. I've got the tubes made, tacked in place. Big square bar there. We've got that made, lines up to those holes. So what we need to do now is take it loose. All right, so it is in. It is bolted up, welded up, all the fun stuff. There it is. So let's drop it down, and we're gonna start working on floorboards and cleaning up this DOM tube for tomorrow. What's up, everybody? It is Thursday at 10 o'clock in the morning. We have got the project loaded up on the car trailer, and we are headed over to 12th State Off-Road. We're gonna bend some tube today. My goal is to get done at minimum today the rear headache bar, roll bar, and the A-pillar hoops. That's my goal at minimum today. I've thrown in the truck a winch mount we had laying around and a worn winch, so if we can start getting a little head, we can go ahead and start getting that area bent up too, because all the straight tubes will be done at my shop. But take you guys along for the day. Here we go. So that's going to be the end of the day. We're back at my shop now at Apex Overland. Got the rear hoop, as you saw, done, and then I don't know if I showed any video of us doing the roof bars down to the A-pillar. They're not connected. Those will go on here in a little bit, but we've got the side bars in the front towards your feet. They landed perfectly. And as far as head height goes, I've got about 10 inches from the top of my head to the cage. The helmet adds about 2, so that leaves me 6 inches. Ultra 4 rules are 4 inches, so 2 extra inches for anybody slightly taller than me, or just room to spare. Plus it just leaves more room in the cab. Can't complain there. So like I said, that's gonna be the end of the day today. Shoot some B-roll for you guys and let that roll of everything we got done today. See ya. What's up, everybody? It is Friday morning. So yesterday we got the rear hoop done. We have the roof and A-pillars done. I worked a little bit and got these front lowers done. And I've got this clamped in place to make sure all the measurements and stuff kind of halfway check out. It's cut a little longer on both ends, but yeah, you can see what we're going for there. And then it'll line up there. And I know what you're thinking is the seat sticking out. We're gonna have another bar that attaches down here that comes up, so it'll kind of be it'll dart around the seat. But yeah, so that's what we're working on now. All right, afternoon on Friday, had a bunch of just normal day-to-day stuff to do, but got these guys all notched up. Look at that fitment there, both sides. We'll take that all day, every day. But that is the front dash bar. So as you're sitting in the seat, it's roughly about right there. So you can barely see the top of the engine, which is perfect. So let's get that tacked in place. Friday, 5 o'clock, we have done front little bar right here. And then the A-pillar and roof bar. So had the passenger side there, tacked in place, tacked in the wrong place. It's 5 o'clock, ripped it off. It'll be here Monday morning when I come in. Yeah, it's coming together. Cage is slowly getting done. So to show you this stuff. So I have it fully welded to the plates, but the plates are only tacked in place. Because my plan is to make the basic cage of everything and then undo those tacks, take it off so I can make the floor. Got to get some more DOM. I'm completely out. I think I have like a 3-foot piece left, which is not enough to make anything else. So we'll get these done. We'll make a cross filler for the top of the front windshield, and then I'll be out of tube, but that will all happen on Monday. So this was a pretty short video, guys, but doing what we can. I didn't get a whole lot done this week on it. At least I don't think I did. Hopefully next week we can do a little bit more. But yeah, but slowly but surely getting there. Not bad for a spare time project. So like, subscribe, share this thing. Anything helps. Gonna do a promo code for t-shirts and apparel coming up. If you saw the first video, that coupon code's expired. We hit it in at the very end of the video. We'll do a more blatant one coming up in the next video. Again, like, subscribe, share, show you guys some B-roll, and then I'm out of here.